Here we have a 2026 26 DBH Cherokee. It's a Grey Wolf. A lot of changes on the 2026, and I'll show them to you. Right now you have an electric tongue jack on. I'm going to show you the outside. Electric tongue jack, two 20-pound tanks with an automatic regulator from one tank to the other. Got a solid rock guard on here. Also you got automotive paint, won't chip and peel on you. What they've done is they've changed the compartment here and made it a lot wider. That's for your 2026. Standard on it is a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. They put two solar panels on top of the roof, which is 100 watts per, so that gives you 200 watts per on solar panels. You have electric jacks on here. You also have an outside shower. Magnet door that holds the door up. Ice maker, outside shower here, and then you got another one on the other side when you have a camper kitchen. Refrigerator, and this is your little stove here. You got a quick disconnect underneath here for a gas grill, for the gas grill. You also have two speakers out here that are blue. They light up blue at night, and they're also waterproof. You can put your TV here. You got outlets here, and you got a cable hookup here. You also have a cable hookup in the back. So when you're hooked up in the back, you don't have to run a cable line underneath. Your cable hookup is right here. This right here is your furnace. When your awning is out, when you pull your awning out, it's an automatic awning. You have grab bars on either side. So if it starts raining a little bit, you can go on either side, grab onto the bar, and it'll tilt your awning for you. It's also got LED lights on it too. If you notice the roof on the sides, you have rain gutters that designate your black streaks from one side to the other. The one-piece rubber roof. This one-piece rubber roof what Cherokee offers is a lifetime warranty on it. It's right here. You gotta maintain that roof though to get that lifetime warranty. Got black tank flush, and that works like a little sprinkler system inside your holding tank. It gets all the residue off your sensors. So when you're dumping your holding tank, you put a hose to that and run the heck out of it. Over here is a little doggy latch, or a dog on there, or a pet, or a nice bike, or something that doesn't want to disappear. Got a cargo rack here that'll hold up to 200 pounds. Put your sewer hose in here. Also dive on the construction on this. A lot of your stick and tin, which this is called, are 16 from center. These are 12 from center, so you have a stronger sidewall. Got more storage here with a magnet door. That's underneath the bunk. And then you also have an outside shower. Little wand, hot and cold running water. You got a 30-foot cord, 30 amp service, and the cord is located in the basement, the storage bin in the front. This is your city water, and then this right here is your freshwater fill. So when you go to a campground that doesn't offer water, you're gonna put water in there. And that's your outside light when you're dumping your holding tanks. Over here. This right here is your cable hookup. This right here is a tankless water heater. With a tankless water heater, you're probably going to get about hot water in about 13 seconds. All right, come on, we're going to go inside. I want to show you. Okay, they did some nice changes inside, guys. They've given you a king-size bed, which is standard. They've also given you a 15,000 BTU AC central air, standard. Lifetime warranty on the roof is standard. They've changed the wall a little bit here. You have two solar panels on top of the roof. 100 watts per solar panel, so you got 200 watts up there. You got an 11 cubic refrigerator in here. Runs on your solar panels or electricity. You have a 3-burner stove with an air fryer. This knob right here will light up your knobs. Gives you a little bit of ambiance. You have a little bit of blue ambiance along the slide here. The dinette table will make into a bed. And you also got some deep storage underneath your seats. I mean, and this is plywood. Look how thick that is. It's on both sides, and then your jackknife sofa comes out. It makes into a bed. And then you got a little bit of storage underneath there for bed linens. Over here is your fireplace. This will give you about 3 different colors of ambiance and also throw out some heat for you. You can put a TV here. There's a hole on the other side, so you can put another TV on the other side if you wanted to. Just got to move the doors over a little. They're pocket doors. You have storage underneath your seats, underneath the bed. They also changed the arrangement here. So they've given you a big closet here for 2026, and then they give you a counter over here. Now this over here slides over, see, and it opens up. This over here is like a little inverter. So if you have a sleep app or an alarm clock or something, that'll feed off your battery, not off of 110. You got outlet storage over here all along. Outlets everywhere. Big barn sink, pull-out faucet. This right here is a little spray nozzle that you can put your glass there, and it cleans your glass. Little drying rack here for you. Over here is your built-in power converter. So when you're driving down the road, it's trickle charging your battery. You also have fuses in here too, so it's your fuse box too. And then this right here turns your solar panel on, so that'll start charging everything. You got a little pantry right here for your goodies. Also, I call this your do your thing and run. You got 2 doors, you got a door exit door there. You got a push pedal flush toilet. You also got a fantastic vent fan in here. Very powerful and regular fan. Over here, you have a bunk. This will hold up to 300 pounds. You have a little night light for the kids. Little outlets here. Cable hookup over here for them. USB cords. Over here, you have a little arm bar. They want to put their toys in there or put books in there or whatever. That comes with it. Might as well underneath here. So, come on down, take a peek at this. My name is Russ, if I can help you out.